Hi, I want to talk with you about a vision I have or an idea. It's not clear whether it's an idea or a vision because I can't differentiate between vision and idea exactly. Vision is more uh, something that you see in information. You need to pass information. You have to gain the past information that makes you believe in something. And the idea is more something like uh, uh, you know what an idea is. My idea is that you can make progress in education by 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 active reading. You read active, and then you you gain information, and you education is defined by how you think, how you how you talk, how you how you behave, and what you do, for example. And these are metrics on whether you are educated or not. And you can fulfill these metrics by by active reading. Active reading is a method that lets you think in a certain way, that gives you understanding about a topic. And this is what the approach is about. It's about understanding, and it's about thinking, and it's about changing your behavior through education by gaining information that makes you think in a certain way. And this is the goal of education, but we don't achieve it yet because we try to remember things. Remembering things is not the only goal of education. It's a question of how you think and how well you talk about it. And these are the metrics of education that should be relevant, not remembering things. Remembering things is one way. You can become a doctor this way by remembering things, but you can apply the methods for medicine or for this kind of pursuits to other um, education relevant topics, because you don't become educated this way. You become uh, you get a job, and this is the problem with the idea or with the vision. I can't specify exactly whether it's a vision or an idea. I feel it's like it's more an idea than a vision. Generally speaking, you can change the world this way by seeing education in a different light, and by by adding value through education. I mean, this is a big market gap because education is expensive, and if you solve education, and if you can replace university, for example, with internet connection and books, and someone who directs you, and this is one way you can get the jobs with blogs instead of with a degree. You can write a blog and get a job. The point is you have to civilize or socialize with other people that contribute to your education, and you gain insights this way by by following this way strictly and applying the method of active reading. Active reading is a way to remember everything you read, and to engage with the text, and to become a thinker. And this is the approach that is behind the new method of education. The new method of education is the basic point is active reading instead of um, remembering. You remember in a different way when you can think about the topic. And this is the method.